Hello colleagues, welcome to conversion of units. This is part 5. This is going to be our last lesson in the conversion of units. Please, I remind you, please don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. And also don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Today we are going to be converting from kilometers per hour to meters per second, and also from meters per second to kilometers per hour. Let's have a quick look at this. We know that 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters, and also 1 meter is equivalent to 1 over 1,000 kilometers. 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. So it implies that 1 hour is equivalent to 60 times 60 seconds, which gives us 3,600 seconds. So 1 hour is equivalent to 3,600 seconds. Also, 1 second is equivalent to 1 over 3,600 hours. Let's look at this example. Convert the following: 36 kilometers per hour to meters per second, 120 kilometers per hour, 2 meters per second, 120 meters per second, 20 meters per second, 2 kilometers per hour, and lastly 36 meters per second, 2 kilometers per hour. Let's start by looking at this. That is converting 36 kilometers per hour to meters per second. Part A is 36 kilometers per hour to meters per second. Let's convert this. Now, 36 kilometers per hour is the same as 36 divided by 1 hour. Same as 36 kilometers divided by 1 hour. 36 kilometers per hour is the same as 36 kilometers divided by 1 hour. So we are going to convert the 36 kilometers to meters. First of all, convert 36 kilometers to meters. And we know that 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters. And so 36 kilometers is equivalent to 36 times 1,000, which gives us 36,000 meters. So 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters, and 36 kilometers, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, and 36 kilometers is equivalent to 36,000 meters. Then we're also going to convert the 1 hour to seconds. And we know that 1 hour is equivalent to 60 times 60 seconds, which is 3,600 seconds. 1 hour, 3,600 seconds. Now we are going to substitute here. We know that this is the same as, that is 36 kilometers per hour is equivalent to 36 kilometers divided by 1 hour. But we know 36 kilometers is 36,000 meters. 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. So when we substitute there, we shall have 36,000 meters divided by 3,600 seconds, which gives us 10 meters per second. Since we know that meters divided by second is the same as meters per second, so we shall have 10 meters per second, which implies that 36 kilometers per hour is equivalent to 10 meters per second. Part B, we are converting 120 kilometers per hour to meters per second. This is the same as the 120 kilometers per hour is the same as 120 kilometers divided by 1 hour. Now we also are going to do the same, convert the 120 kilometers to meters, and then the 1 hour to seconds. So we convert the 120 kilometers to meters, and we know that 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters, and therefore 120 kilometers is 120 times 1,000 meters, which is 120,000 meters. So we have converted the 120 kilometers is equivalent to 120,000 meters. Then we're also going to convert the 1 hour to seconds. We know that 1 hour is equivalent to 3,600 seconds. It's very important for you to know that. Now we are going to substitute here. So we have 120 kilometers per hour equivalent to 120 kilometers divided by 1 hour. This is 120,000 meters and this is 3,600 seconds. When substitute there, we shall have 120,000 meters divided by 3,600 seconds. The zeros will cancel. Then we shall have the two zeros here. This go with that, and remain with two zeros. 12 divided by 12 is 136. That is 36 divided by 12 is 3. So we shall have 100 divided by 3 meters per second. So that will be 100 divided by 3 meters per second, which is the same as around 33.3333 recurring, which I can round off to 2 decimal places as 33.33 meters per second. So it implies that 120 kilometers per hour is equivalent to 33.33 meters per second. But C, 20 meters per second, 2 kilometers per hour. We know that that is 20 meters per second is equivalent to 20 meters divided by 1 second. So I'm going to convert the 20 meters to kilometers and then the 1 second to hour. So we know that 1 meter is equivalent to 1 over 1,000 kilometers. So the 20 meters is going to be 20 times 1 over 1,000 kilometers, which gives us 20 over 1,000 kilometers. Then we shall also convert the 1 second to hours. We know that 1 second is equivalent to 1 over 3,600 hours. So I have this, I've converted the 20 meters to kilometers, and I've also converted the 1 second to hours. Now remember that 20 meters per second is the same as 20 divided by second. Divided by 1 second. 20 meters divided by 1 second, which can also be written in this format, that is 20 meters divided by 1 second. That is 20 meters per second is the same as 20 meters divided by 1 second. But the 20 meters is 20 over 1,000 kilometers. The 1 second is 1 over 3,600 hours. So we substitute here. Now we have 20 over 1,000 kilometers divided by 1 over 3,600 hours. This is the same as 20 kilometers divided by 1,000 times 3,600 divided by 1 hour. 20 kilometers times 3,600 gives us 72,000 kilometers. 1,000 times 1 hour gives us 1,000 hours. So we shall have 72,000 kilometers divided by 1,000 hours. When we divide that, we shall get 72 kilometers per hour. That will be 72 kilometers per hour. So 20 meters per second is equivalent to 72 kilometers per hour. Lastly, let's look at D, that is 36 meters per second to kilometers per hour. So we said that this is the same as 36 meters divided by 1 second. So we shall first convert the 36 meters to kilometers and then the 1 second to hours. So we convert the 36 meters to kilometers first of all. Now we know that 1 meter is equivalent to 1 over 1,000 kilometers. And so the 36 meters is going to be 36 times 1 over 1,000 kilometers, which gives us 36 divided by 1,000 kilometers. So we have converted the 36 meters per second to 36 meters per second. We have converted it to kilometers. we have converted the 30 meters to kilometers. That is 36 meters is equivalent to 36 over 1000 kilometers. Then we shall also convert the 1 second to hours. That is 1 second is equivalent to 1 over 3600 hours. Now remember, we said that 36 meters per second is equivalent to 36 meters divided by 1 second. If I'm to write it here, I can also write this as 36 meters divided by 1 second. But we know that 36 meters is the same as 36 divided by 1000 kilometers, and also 1 second is the same as 1 over 3600 hours. So we shall have that. Now we do the mathematics. This is going to be 36 kilometers divided by 1000 times 3600 divided by 1 hour. When we multiply 36 kilometers times 3600, that gives us 129. It's going to be 129,600 kilometers divided by this one is 1000 times 1 hour, that's 1000 hours. So we shall have 129,600 kilometers divided by 1000 hours. When we divide this, we shall have 129.6 kilometers per hour, which implies that 36 meters per second is equivalent to 129.6 kilometers per hour. Yeah. So using the same procedure, we can convert from meters per second to kilometers per hour, and also from kilometers per hour to meters per second. Yeah, thank you so much for attending to this lesson. I know there are other conversions apart from what we have covered, but if in case you want help in what we have covered, or you have a question concerning conversion of units, don't forget, you can just give me an email. Just send me an email. That is at mark.opak@yahoo.com. So this is my email address, mark.opak@yahoo.com. So you can send me an email if you have a question concerning what I have covered or concerning conversion of units. Yeah, may God bless you. If you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, and also like and share this video with your friends. May God bless you. We meet in other lessons that I'll be presenting to you. Bye.